In this demonstration, I'd like to showcase the transformative power of process orchestration and automation with Camunda, combined with the process mining capabilities of mpmX, using the example of a fictional bank we call Camunda here. Our goal is to highlight how these innovative tools can together deliver substantial value to both the business and its customers. Let's begin by examining the typical banking support process at Camunda here, before automation was introduced. Previously, the bank support processes were entirely manual, handled by department staff. For instance, when a customer inquiry was received, it was manually distributed to the appropriate departments such as accounting, legal, or loans. If the inquiry was loan-related, support agents in the loan department had to manage the request manually. This involved juggling numerous tasks across multiple systems like CRM, SAP, and core banking systems, all requiring manual intervention. Naturally, this process and approach was time-consuming, expensive, and lacked visibility in the process performance. Measuring efficiency or identifying bottlenecks was nearly impossible. But things changed after introducing Camunda. With Camunda in place, parts of the process were automated, unlocking significant improvements. For instance, routing tasks previously done manually can now be fully automated using AI components. When we look at the loan department's process post-automation, we see a structured workflow that provides clear guidance to the users. Many repetitive tasks have been streamlined, eliminating the need for manual interaction. Here's an example. After receiving a loan-related inquiry, the system automatically searches for the customer in the CRM database. If no customer is found, a BPMN error is triggered, allowing the process to continue without a matched customer. Additionally, AI components can analyze the inquiry's content to determine whether it's a new loan request or it pertains to an existing loan, routing accordingly. Drilling down into these sub-processes reveals a structured, deterministic approach. Tasks that were previously manual have now been automated using Camunda's off-the-shelf connectors, which integrate seamlessly with the enterprise systems and protocols. This automation isn't just about improving the efficiency of a single process over time. With process execution metrics gathered by a tool such as mpmX by Mehrwerk, the bank can gain valuable insights into operations, identify bottlenecks, and pinpoint further opportunities for optimization. These insights pave the way for fully automating not only the bank support processes, but also critical workflows, driving even greater business value. Now let's consider the fully automated version of this banking support process. In this fully optimized version, the customer inquiries can come from different channels such as email, the banking portal, or even connecting with voice systems. No matter how the inquiry arrives, it is automatically classified and routed to the correct department. For loan-related inquiries, the process is streamlined even further. Here, the human support agent is replaced by an AI agent that dynamically selects the next best step in the process using ad hoc sub-processes. This approach enables the bank to scale its support effortlessly, while managing diverse loan-related inquiries within a single cohesive process. Of course, Camunda ensures the automation is not only scalable, but also secure and auditable. With its robust orchestration and connectivity capabilities, businesses can maintain full visibility, reliability, and compliance across processes. In conclusion, the process orchestration with Camunda isn't just about automating tasks. It's about empowering businesses to scale efficiently, improve customer experiences, and uncover new opportunities for growth. So now you've seen how you can begin process automation in Camunda. Next, we jump into the mpmX Process Intelligence platform to demonstrate how you can further automate processes and generate even more value from Agentic AI in Camunda. mpmX offers you a complete solution for end-to-end process transparency across all systems. With mpmX, you gain a true 360-degree view of your operations. How do my processes really run, and where can I improve them? mpmX comes with many out-of-the-box analysis sheets for optimization and process discovery, some of which you can see on the left-hand side here. These can be adapted to create business apps for analysis of specific use cases. In banking, as you see on the right, This can mean business apps for analyzing processes such as customer onboarding and compliance topics like KYC, to credit applications, credit checks, and even post-loan support cases. In this dashboard, for instance, you see a summary of cases which have been handled by a bank support team via the channels, email, and call center. Focusing on the email support screen on the left, you see how many cases were successfully handled and how many were closed successfully or not. Under this, you see a graphic of how automating in Camunda in 2021 has reduced employee cost. Prior to this, emails had to be collected and handled entirely by hand. On the right-hand side of the graphic, you see how implementing Agentic AI in Camunda in 2025 has significantly reduced cost even further. Below the graphic, you see that Agentic AI approach has now reduced the human intervention rate to 7%, which costs the bank just under 600,000 euros in employee efforts. So large savings have been made. But before you automate, you need to know where to start, and that's exactly what mpmX provides. This sheet offers a transparent overview of manual efforts, time-saving potentials, and the biggest cost drivers. This allows you to identify which process delivers the highest return on investment with the least effort. Going back to the banking support overview and now focusing on the AI optimization, we see buttons at the bottom of this sheet which allow a link to Camunda or a drill down of the analyses. Focusing on the AI-driven optimization, we come to a dashboard which highlights key KPIs for the AI handling of loan questions. After the first automation wave in 2021, we pushed even further in 2025 and gained enormous efficiency by integrating AI agents via Camunda. The results speak for themselves. Minimal monthly AI token cost of under 800 euros. This then helps employee costs to be reduced to 600,000 euros, which, if you remember from the support dashboard, represents just 7% human intervention in cases. On the right, you see the mpmX process analyzer, which traces every decision by AI agents, making the process fully traceable for users. This type of graphic is produced by mpmX for any type of digital process, whether using agents or not. Next, in the bottom left of this sheet, we see how the mpmX analysis results of how well the AI performs in real operations. 3 metrics stand out. The review rate represents cases where humans need to verify or review AI output. Here it was in about half of the cases. Short-term solving rate refers to issues solved immediately by AI, and long-term solving rate refers to tasks that stay solved over time and the customer did not raise the same issue again. As we see here, this is only in 20% of the cases, meaning in 80% where AI resolved a support case, the case was reopened at a later date by customers. Therefore, while short-term performance is strong, long-term case resolution through AI still leaves room for improvement. Many customers obviously return with follow-up questions. So we can drill down into this. We go to the AI tool analysis sheet at the top of the screen. By comparing tool usage across 3 categories, meaning cases where a worker needs to review AI output and short and long-term resolutions through AI, we discover clear improvement opportunities in each area by looking at what the top AI-assisted processes were. We can then move more processes of a similar kind to AI. For instance, on the right, we see under long-term resolutions that processes relying more on data-driven knowledge achieved significantly better long-term results using AI agents. We can use the same logic for other categories. To be sure of any conclusions, we can of course use A/B testing to fine-tune prompts, identify weak spots, and continuously improve automation quality. We have only covered a very small portion of the sheets analyses that mpmX provides. However, and in summary, this demo shows that mpmX delivers a complete, objective, and evidence-based view of your processes, turning insights into actionable improvements which can be made in Camunda and therefore fueling a real continuous process optimization cycle.